Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download your Google Slides presentation as a PowerPoint presentation, so you can easily open that in a Microsoft PowerPoint. So all you have to do is just simply click on File on the upper left hand side, and you want to go down to where it says Download, and here you can choose Microsoft PowerPoint. So once you click on that, it's going to quickly download the presentation for you as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and you will see in a moment that it quickly downloads. Now here is my Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now I can quickly go ahead and either click on it or go to my folders, and you will see that I have the PowerPoint presentation for Microsoft. And once I hover over it, you can see the name in as well. The type is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I can double click and I can open this, and it's going to open up within PowerPoint from Office. And as you can see, it's currently loading it, and it's going to quickly open in PowerPoint. And I can go ahead and I can click enable editing, and I have it as a PowerPoint presentation. And that's it. Very easy, guys, and very simple.